Hi friends, I am J. Balaji, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, Nanda College of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about the topic network topology in computer networks. So what do you know about network topology? Two or more devices connect to a link. Two or more links form a topology. The topology is the way in which a network is laid out physically. The geometric representation of the relationship of all the links and node to one another. Basically, network topology refers to the arrangement of different elements like nodes, links, devices in a computer networks. It defines how these components are connected and interact with each other. Understanding various types of network topologies. The common types. So, this is the types of network topologies. The common types. The most important types are bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology, and point to point topology. We'll see one by one. The first one is point to point topology. This type of topology that work on the functionality of the sender and the receiver. This is one of the simplest communication between two nodes. See here in this diagram, device 1 and device 2. Okay, device 1 and device 2. There are two devices. Okay, so how it's going to transfer the data? Point to point, provide high bandwidth. Okay, that is one of the most important point. The next one, mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device has a dedicated point to point link to each other. The term dedicated means that the link carries traffic only between the two devices connect. The number of physical links in a fully connected mesh network with n nodes is given n into n minus 1 divided by 2. For example, in this diagram, see here, there are 5 devices are there. So how can we find the values? See here, we have 5 devices connected to each other. So what are the total number of ports required by each device? Is 4, because for example, device 1 connect with device 2, device 3, device 4 and device 5. Like that, how many ports we need? So we have a formula like n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So in this diagram, there are 5 devices. So we need 5 into 4 divided by 2. That means 10 devices. So here we have some advantages and disadvantages in this mesh topology. What all the advantages are there? Communication is very fast between the nodes. Yeah, it's going to transfer the data. It's going to communicate with each and every node. Okay, it's very fast. It take too much. It won't take too much of time. So the next one, mesh topology is robust. The next one, the fault is diagnosed easily. It easily find the fault. Data is reliable between data is transferred among the devices through dedicated channels or links. Provide security and privacy. What are the disadvantages? Installation and configurations are very difficult. It takes too much of time to install and configure. The cost of cable is high as bulk wired is required, because one device connect with all the devices, remaining all the devices. So here almost we have 10 ports In this example, we discussed we need 10 ports. So it take too much of, bulk wires we need. Okay, suitable for less number of devices. Only for 4 devices, almost we need 10 ports. For the 10 ports, we need very huge wires. The cost of maintenance also too good. The common example for mesh topology is network backbone. The next one, star topology. In a star topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link only to a central controller, usually called a hub. The device is not directly linked to each other. The controller acts as an exchange. If one device wants to send data to another, it sends the data to the controller, which then really the data to the another connected device. So here in this diagram, see here there are 4 systems, okay, and there is one hub. So hub is the central point to connect with all the 4 systems. For example, system 1 want to send the data to system 3 through hub. So system 1 send the data to hub and hub send the data to system 3. So through this we can access the data. This is we call it as star topology. We have some advantages and